Hare Krishna. Let us understand Bhagavad Gita as it is, written by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters. So let us understand these chapters section by section. Before we begin the discussion, let us offer our prayers to our spiritual master, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada and Supreme Lord Shri Krishna. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hare Krishna. Today we will be understanding the second section of the 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Second section is from shloka number 9 to shloka number 30. This section is entitled The Lord Displays His Universal Form. So let us understand this section. After Arjuna prayed to Lord Krishna to show his universal form, the Lord granted divine vision to Arjuna and he agreed to show his universal form. So let us see what all Arjuna saw in the universal form. Sanjaya Vacha Eva Muktva Tato Rajan Mahayogeshwaro Harihi Darshayamasa Parthaya Paramam Rupam Aishwaram. Sanjaya said, O King, speaking thus, the Supreme, the Lord of all mystic power, the personality of Godhead, displayed his universal form to Arjuna. Aneka Vaktra Nayanam, Aneka Adbhuta Darshanam, Aneka Divya Bharanam, Divya Nekodhyatayudham, Divya Malyam Baradharam, Divya Gandhanulepanam, Sarvashcharyamayam Devam, Anantam Vishwato Mukham. Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouths and unlimited eyes. It was all wondrous. The form was decorated with divine, dazzling ornaments and arrayed in many garbs. He was garlanded gloriously, and there were many scents smeared over his body. All was magnificent, all expanding, unlimited. This was seen by Arjuna. Divisurya sahasrasya bhaved yugapaduttitha yadi bhasadrishi sasyad bhasastasya mahatmanaha. If hundreds and thousands of suns rose up at once into the sky, they might resemble the effulgence of the Supreme Person in that universal form. So the effulgence was so great that when hundreds and thousands of suns effulgence put together, that much effulgent the universal form was. And Arjuna saw unlimited mouths, unlimited eyes, and decorated with divine dazzling ornaments, and it was all glorious and it was all scented, smeared with scents. His body was magnificent and all expanding and unlimited. So it was such a sight for Arjuna. Further, Sanjaya says what all Arjuna saw. Tatraikastham jagatkritsnam pravibhaktam anekadha apashyad deva devasya sharire pandavastada. At that time, Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansions of the universe situated in one place, although divided into many thousands. ततः स विस्मयाविष्टो हृष्टरोमा धनञ्जयः प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं कृताञ्जलिरभाषत. Then, bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end, Arjuna began to pray with folded hands, offering obeisances to the Supreme Lord. So when Arjuna saw that glaring, unlimitedly expanding universal form with unlimited mouths, unlimited eyes, with various kinds of ornaments, he was bewildered and he started offering his prayers. So the prayers are Arjuna uvacha pashyami devanstava devadehe sarvamstata bhuta vishesha sanghan brahmanamisham kamalasanastham rishimsha sarvanuragamsha divyan. Arjuna said, My dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled together in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower, as well as Lord Shiva and many sages and divine serpents. Aneka bahodara vaktra netram pashyami tvam sarvato nantarupam nantam na madhyam na punastavadim pashyami vishveshwara vishwarupam. O Lord of the universe, I see in your universal body many forms, bellies, mouths, eyes, expanded without limit. There is no end, there is no beginning, and there is no middle to all this. So Arjuna could see unlimited forms in that universal form with unlimited eyes, unlimited mouths, unlimited bellies. There was no limit. Then Kiritinam gadinam chakrinam cha tejo rashim sarvato deeptimantam pashyami tvam durnirikshyam samantat deeptanalarkadyutim aprameyam. Your form, adorned with various crowns, clubs and discs, is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence, which is fiery and immeasurable like the sun. The form was so glary, so effulgent that Arjuna could not even see it. So further Arjuna says, Tvam aksharam paramam veditavyam tvamasya vishwasya param nidhanam tvam avyaya shashvata dharma gopta sanatanastvam purusho mato me. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the best in all the universes. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of religion, the eternal personality of Godhead. Anadi madhyantam ananta viryam ananta bahum shashi surya netram pashyami tvam deepta hutasha vaktram swatejasa vishwamidam tapantam. You are the origin without beginning, middle or end. You have numberless arms and the sun and moon are among your great unlimited eyes. By your own radiance, you are heating this entire universe. Dhyava prithivyoridam antaram hi vyaptam tvayaikena dishascha sarva drishtvaadbhutam roopamugram tavedam Lokatrayam pravyathitam mahatman. Although you are one, you are spread throughout the sky and the planets and all space between. O Great One, as I behold this terrible form, I see that all the planetary systems are perplexed. So, as I was mentioning, it's not only Arjuna who saw the universal form. There were other devatas and other great sages whose divine eyes was awakened. Even they all saw the universal form of the Lord. Swami hitvam surasangha vishanti kechid bhita pranjalayo grinanti swasti tyuktva maharshi siddha sangha stuvanti tvam stutibe pushkalabhi. All the demigods are surrendering and entering into you. They are very much afraid and with folded hands they are singing the Vedic hymns. So by seeing the universal form of the Lord, even the Devatas, they were bewildered and they were all trembling. So with folded hands, even they all started offering prayers. Rudraditya vasavo ye cha sadhya vishveshvino marutaschoshma pascha gandharva yakshasura siddha sangha vikshante tvam vismitaschaiva sarve. The different manifestations of Lord Shiva, the Adityas, the Vasus, the Siddhas, the Sadhyas, the Vishwadevas, the two Ashwins, the Maruts, the forefathers, and the Gandharvas, the Yakshas, Asuras, and all perfected demigods are beholding you in wonder. Rupam mahatte bahuvaktra netram Mahabaho bahubahurupadam Bahudaram bahudam shrakaralam Drishtva loka pravyatithasthathaham. O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your many faces, eyes, arms, bellies and legs and your terrible teeth, and as they are disturbed, so am I. So looking at the terrible fears formed with unlimited mouths, unlimited eyes, unlimited bellies and legs and arms, everyone who saw were disturbed, and Arjuna also is telling that he is also disturbed. Nabhasprisham deeptam aneka varnam Vyatananam deepta vishala netram Drishtva hi tvam pravyatithantaratma Dhritim navindami samam cha Vishnu. O all-pervading Vishnu, I can no longer maintain my equilibrium. Seeing your radiant colors fill the skies and beholding your eyes and mouths, I am afraid. Damshra karalani chate mukhani Drishtva kala nala sannibhani Disho na jane na labhe cha sharma Prasida devesha jagannivasa. O Lord of Lords, O refuge of the worlds, please be gracious to me. I cannot keep my balance seeing thus your blazing death-like faces and awful teeth. In all directions I am bewildered. So Arjuna was also very afraid and bewildered looking at that form. Ami chatvam dhritarashrasya putra sarve sahaivavani sanghai Bhishmo drona sota putras tathaso sahasmadiyairapi yodha mukhyai Vaktrani te tvaramana vishanti damshra karalani bhayanakani Kechid vilagnadashanantareshu sandrishyante churnitairuttamangai. All the sons of Dhritarashtra along with their allied kings and Bhishma, Drona and Karna and all our soldiers are rushing into your mouths, their heads smashed by your fearful teeth. I see that some are being crushed between your teeth as well. So in that universal form, Arjuna could see all the Duryodhana and all his brothers, the Kauravas, Bhishma, Drona, Karma, they are all being crushed by the Lord. And even the soldiers of Arjuna's side also were being crushed by the Lord in his universal form. Yatha nadinam bahavombo vega samudrameva bhimukha dravanti tatha tavami naraloka vira vishanti vaktrani abhibijvalanti. As the rivers flow into the sea, so all these great warriors enter your blazing mouths and perish. Yatha pradiptam jvalanam patanga vishanti nashaya samruddha vega tathaiva nashaya vishanti lokas tavaphi vaktrani samruddha vega. I see all people rushing with full speed into your mouth as moths dash into a blazing fire. Just like moths, they get attracted to blazing fire and they dash into that fire. Similarly, all the soldiers who had assembled, they were all being crushed in the mouths of the Lord. लेलीह्यसेग्रसमानः समन्ताल् लोकान् समग्रान् वदनैर्ज्वलद्भिः तेजोभिरापूर्य जगत्समग्रं भासस्तवोग्रा प्रतपन्ति विष्णु. O Vishnu, I see you devouring all people in your flaming mouths and covering the universe with immeasurable rays. Scorching the worlds, you are manifest. So this was the description of the universal form which Arjuna saw. So he saw unlimited eyes, unlimited mouths, unlimited bellies, unlimited arms, unlimited legs, and the Lord crushing all the soldiers from both sides who had assembled, including great kings. So Arjuna was bewildered, and all those sages and devatas who all saw that universal form, they were also very afraid and offering prayers. So next what happens, we will be understanding in the next section. Hare Krishna.